Ban! Hi collectors, welcome back to my channel. Today we will take a look at another new Lightning Collection Power Rangers, Mighty Morphin Yellow Rangers and Mighty Morphin Scorpina. I already have the Yellow Rangers that come with Trini head, so I will do some comparison in this video. And of course our main focus in this video will be the Mighty Morphin Scorpina. Let us take a closer look on the box art. This is Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Yellow Rangers and Mighty Morphin Scorpina. As usual, we have large open window at the front of the box. Yellow Rangers on the right and the Scorpina on the left. We have nice Yellow Rangers artwork at the side of the box, and the artwork for Scorpina at the other side of the box. At the back, we have Yellow Rangers battle with Scorpina. Yes, Scorpina, finally you are here. Let me kill the Yellow Rangers first and release you from the box. No chance, Koda. What? I will rescue the Yellow Rangers. You think you can win me? Here. Let me finish you, Golda. No, you are too strong. What's that?
What?
No!
Do you miss me?
Here is our Yellow Rangers and Scorpina out from the packaging. The main reason I purchased these two packs is because of Scorpina. Scorpina is one of my favorite female villains, so I actually super excited when Hasbro released Scorpina in Lightning Collection. At the first sight on the Scorpina, I would say this is a very nice looking figures. There is a lot of details sculpted on her armor, and also a lot of details paint job on it. On the Yellow Rangers, I not notice any significant difference compared with the Yellow Rangers with Trini head, except the yellow paint. The yellow paint here is more light yellow, but the Yellow Rangers come with Trini head is more on orange yellow. Her head sculpt is not very accurate compared with the actors in the movie. We have the scorpion sting here, and the scorpion tail are sculpted here. The surface detail at the helmet is very nice. We have some nice red paint touch up at the side of the scorpion tail, and some black paint touch up here. This helmet is very accurate as in the TV show. Her hair is made by soft plastic and sculpted nicely. To me, her helmet is sculpted very well, and I'm so happy about it. Her neck ring is painted in silver with some black wash on top of it. We have some nice leather belt sculpted here, and some nice silver paint here. It looked very accurate as in the TV show. The chest armor is sculpted in gold plastic, and some silver paint at the chest, and also here. We have very nice leather texture on the suit, with some nice silver paint on it. Again, the detail and the paint job on the suit are very nice. We have a lot of spikes sculpted on her shoulder armor. This shoulder armor is made in soft plastic, and you can move it up so that it won't block your hands articulation. We have nice bicep armor and has a lot of surface detail on it. Yellow paint on her joint to represent her inner yellow suit, but the paint job is not good. We have some nice scorpion-like pattern sculpted on her glove armor with some spikes sculpted on top of it. One of the spikes is painted in silver and also some black touch up here. Just like in the show, her inner palm is painted in red. We have metallic blue diamond on top of her glove. She also wearing the silver bicep ring here, but the silver paint job are bad. The color is not even and some of the parts are missing the silver paint. She has the yellow wrist armor here and metallic blue diamond on top of it. Her inner suit is in yellow and she has armor on top of her left leg. The surface detail on the armor are grey. Her boot also sculpted in great details with metallic blue diamond on top of it. Once again, the surface detail are grey. On our Yellow Rangers, as usual, the mouse plate is painted in silver. The tooth on the visor also painted in silver. We have some nice tiger head sculpted on the helmet. Here is our Yellow Rangers come with trini head. As you can see beside the yellow paint, I not notice any significant difference on the helmet. Even we compare from the side, we also can't find any significant or obvious difference on the helmet. They just look like the same helmet. I think they from same mold. As usual, we have nice diamond white paint here. The butterfly joints are sculpted in white plastic. We have some fold here. To me, the saber-tooth coins are not sculpted clearly. There are slightly different paint job on the morpher. Our new Yellow Rangers have some white paint details on the morpher, and the old one just painted in black. We have some yellow diamond paint on the glove. This joint part is painted in yellow. Upper hand is in yellow plastic. Holster is sculpted in soft plastic. We have fold detail on the boot and yellow diamond here. 360-degree turn, but her hair is blocked by her shoulder armor. Can slightly look up, but actually blocked by her hair. Can look down that much, but her hair just like flying on the air. Right hand can up 90 degree, but due to blocked by her shoulder armor, her left hand can up slightly below 90 degree. Her hand actually can 360 degree turn, but again due to her shoulder armor, her left hand can only turn up to 90 degree. Swivel at the elbow. Single joint here. We have new design on her wrist area. Now her hand can pivot upward and pivot downward. We can have more dynamic fighting posting with this type of hinge joint. I would say this is a nice changes. Great job, Hasbro. Well, for her open hand, we got the regular hinge joint here. The hand can hinge inward and hinge outward. This type of hinge joint is suitable for open hand posting. We also have single joint here, but it's slightly blocked by her armor. Diaphragm joint at her chest so that her chest area can rotate. Hinge joint at her waist. Together with her diaphragm joint, she can bend forward that much and bend backward that much. I missed out this in my initial shooting, that's why we have different background here. She actually have the butterfly joint, and surprisingly, her left shoulder can move forward and backward smoothly, even though she have the shoulder armor on top of it. Her leg can split that much. Can rotate at the thigh even though we have armor on top of it. Leg can kick forward that much. We have double joint at the ankle. Her ankle can bend that much. Forward kick can actually reach 90 degrees, but only can slightly back kick that much. Boot rotation 360 degrees. Hinge joint at the foot can pivot forward that much and pivot upward that much. For Yellow Rangers, head can 360 rotation and look upward and downward. Butterfly joint here. Hand can up 90 degrees, 360 rotation. Single joint here can bend that much, around 90 degrees. Elbow rotation. Wrist rotation. Sadly, we don't get the new hinge joint hand for our Yellow Rangers as we got for our Scorpina. Diaphragm joint at the chest. Hinge joint at the waist, so he can bend forward that much and bend backward that much. She can split that much. Leg can kick forward that much, slightly backward. Thigh rotation. Double joint here. Her ankle can bend that much. Boot rotation. Hinge joint at the foot can hinge forward that much, hinge upward that much. Here are the weapon and all the accessories out from the packaging, and they are a lot. First, we got the Scorpina weapons. It more in grey plastic and with some nice detail and black wash on top of it. We have transparent lightning effect part. It can attach on her weapon. Scorpina right weapon holding hands, and her hand can hinge upward and downward. Her open armor hand. Her right closed fist. Her left weapon holding hand. Same here, the hinge joint can hinge upward and downward. Here is Yellow Ranger's Power Dagger. Too bad the detail on the coin are not so clear. We actually have two of these Power Dagger. The blade are painted in nice silver, and the bottom of the holder also painted in silver. We have two blast effect part. This effect part actually can attach on our Power Dagger. We have a slot here. Just plug in our blade into the slot. Our blade blaster in gun mode And surprisingly, we got a Blade Blaster in Saw mode. This is the first time I got this weapon, and I'm so happy they included this. I think Hasbro been give us this weapon before, but I can't recall which 2-pack they included this weapon. We have Ranger's shooting hand, Karate open hand, and one pair of weapon holding hand. Here is our Aisha head scope. I think at some angle, she looked just like our Aisha in the TV show. She has yellow hair ribbon, sculpted nicely, and she also wearing the gold earring. Personally, I think Hasbro did a nice job on this head scope. Here is the Yellow Rangers come with trainee head, Geo Pink Ranger, Mighty Morphin Red Ranger, Lightning Collection Golda. His wing is very loose and I just remove it. Marvel Legend Captain America, Zhongtong Toys Iron Man Mark 1, BAF Marvel Legend Thanos, and last but not least, our Master Grade RX-78 Gundam. Overall, this is a nice 2-pack figures. The detail on the Scorpina are great and the paint job are good. We also have a new hinge joint on the weapon holding hand. Her wrist now can hinge upward and downward. This really helped a lot in our posting. On the Yellow Rangers, I not noticed there are any difference compared with previous release, but I'm a bit surprised that they included the Blade Blaster in the small saw mode. Personally, I would recommend you to collect this 2-pack if you are the Scorpina's fan. Thanks for watching. Remember to come to visit our channel again. Here we keep playing, keep building and keep dreaming. Bye!